First time kong gagawin dito sa channel. We're gonna reflect back on the last year. The biggest regret in 2025. There's so many things I wish I didn't do.
I was in parang midlife, hindi naman midlife crisis, career crisis.
Ang dami ko ring na nagawa sa YouTube and I'm so happy din how it turned out. What is the big dream we are chasing together in 2026? Lessons we learned that we didn't know in 2024. Nasa ICU ako, yung nagdudwell ako sa mga ganon na parang, bakit kaya ako ginanon, ganyan-ganyan. Parang mas marami pa kasi akong gusto ma-accomplish eh. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in the park, in our favorite park dito sa Limerick. First of all guys, happy 2026. Today is the third day of the new year. First time kong gagawin dito sa channel. We're gonna reflect back on the last year. Mainly gusto kong gawin to because we want to look back on the last year and our mga wins and ang mga struggles. And also we want to look forward for this year. And syempre for us to go back in time and panoorin ulit namin to the next year and see, you know, how far we've gone, ano yung mga lessons na natutunan namin and all that. Yun yung main reason why I wanted to do this video and kinonvince ko ang aking partner na si Jonathan na sumama, sumali para sa vlog na to. Ngayon yung pala ako mapapanood, my name is Boyet Ventura and nurse po ako dito sa Ireland and I make videos, I make content about the life here sa Ireland, about yung pamumuhay ng mga Filipinos. I made a series and meron pa rin tayong OFW Diary series kung saan feature natin yung mga kanya-kanyang journey ng mga Filipinos abroad dito sa Europe. So yun guys, to reflect back on the last year, meron syempre tayo ng mga questions from ChatGPT. Ito pala guys, yung mga tanong na to, ChatGPT ko lang to, pero hindi pa namin pinag-usapan ko rin sasagutin, hindi pa na alam yung mga tanong. Most stressful moment of the year and talk about the solution. Ikaw muna.
Now we start.
Ako muna, sige. Most stressful part of the year. Siguro first yung nag-double job ako dito sa Limerick. Meron akong job sa call center as a telephone triage nurse. Tapos meron akong job as a recovery room nurse. Parang wala akong off nun, isang araw lang off ko. Tapos parang nag-work ako ng continuously. For 3 months ko ginawa yan eh. Although part-time lang naman dun sa recovery room. Part-time lang din dun sa telephone triage. Pero stressful kasi yung telephone triage nurse bago ko lang siyang na-experience and I was training that time and parang medyo na-stress ako dun sa job na yun. May humabol na po, pinaka-stressful na bago matapos yung taon, si Charlie ay kinakagat ng aso. So hinabol silang dalawa ng aso, kinagat si Charlie sa paa. And then
Yun ang sagot ko eh.
he suffered sobrang traumatizing talaga yung na yun. December 30, no? December 30, super stressful na araw. 2 days before the New Year, ayun, na hospital siya. Pero naman siya, nakauwi naman siya. Ikaw, ano palang mo? Most stressful part?
Most stressful
Moment of the year.
It's been the same, pero I think siguro it's not that very, very stressful. Pero nung I was in parang midlife, hindi naman midlife crisis, career crisis. Gusto ko bang mag-manager, gusto bang hindi. But
most stressful ba yan?
stressful kasi,
midlife crisis? Midlife career crisis?
Midlife career crisis.
Okay, yun yung answer mo. So, hindi natin pwedeng i-appeal. Siyempre siya
Pero yun nga, kasi
siya yung
stressful ko sana
niya.
is nung inatak nga kami ni Charlie.
Okay.
2 days ago. Kaya sabi ko sa'yo, inagaw mo yung sagot.
So, yun yung sagot mo. Lessons we learned that we didn't know in 2024 as individuals or as a couple.
2024? 2025.
Lessons we learned that we didn't know in 2024.
Na na-apply natin for 2025.
Na na-learn natin 2025.
2024, we tried na, because we had Charlie at that time, we were always working separate, opposite shift 2024. Then it was so hard kasi we rarely see each other. There's always someone with Charlie pero yun nga, we don't go out as much. Kaya nung 2025, we tried na, kasi adult naman na si Charlie siya. We changed it. So lagi na kaming kasabay ng off. Hindi naman most of the time pero ngayon kasi adult na si Charlie na iwan na siya at home mag-isa. Nag-travel kami, we get to spend time together, nakakapag, roam around.
Ano yung lesson doon?
Na we have to communicate to each other na this is what you need to do.
Okay. Parang make a plan as a couple for your life.
To enjoy life as a couple, as a family.
Most memorable adventure, most joyful escape, or core memory of 2025?
Switzerland. Oceanense. Nung nag-hike tayo sa Oceanense, nung nakita ko yung lake, very, ano bang color yun? Turquoise.
Turquoise color. Breathtaking. Yun yung core memory mo. Ako parang marami. Parang iba-iba kasi...
Ang dami natin nagawa. Pero I think, if I'll have top 3, top 1 ko ang Switzerland, top 2 na click natin yung bucket list natin na tayo. cruise.
Oo.
And then, third, nagpunta tayo sa Madeira.
Okay, so Switzerland. Siguro masabi ko rin yung Switzerland na parang na-amaze talaga ako nung pagpunta ko doon. Kasi first of all, na-meet namin si Anne, si Nurse Anne, na sobrang shoutout to Nurse Anne Yam ng Switzerland. Follow her on her YouTube channel. Talagang pinatuloy niya kami sa bahay niya and all that. Pinakita niya sa amin yung wonders of, kahit sa maiksim panahon, na-experience namin yung ganda ng Switzerland because of her na rin. Yun yung talagang hindi ko malilimutan kasi sobrang ganda rin ng Switzerland. Hindi ko rin malilimutan yung Royal Caribbean, West Mediterranean cruise natin kasi ang dami ko rin na-experience for the first time doon sa cruise ship na yun. Parang we created very memorable experience with our friends, with our close friends dito sa Ireland. Well, yung trip namin, yung birthday trip ko sa Madeira, Portugal, yun yung parang isa rin sa mga ang dami kasi, no? Ang dami natin puntahan. Very memorable ang 2025 when it comes to our travel experiences.
Kasi nga, diba,
adventures.
yun yung na-learn natin. So, we made up for our lost time in 2024. So, in 2025, bumawi kami.
Biggest regret in 2025?
Yung budget natin. No, because now na homeowner tayo, I wish we could have allocated money na pang travel alone lang and then hindi natin nagala yung budget natin. Kasi nga, we're still in the middle of renovating the house. There's so many things na gusto kong baguhin.
There's so many things I wish I didn't do. But
Yeah,
I continue
nagalaw namin yung budget.
learning.
So, hindi namin nagawa for 2025. Now, yun ang top priority namin for 2026. Ano yung number one nating top priority magawa natin for 2026?
Okay. Ako naman siguro, minsan naman hindi ko alam kung regret ko ba na sobrang dami namin nagastos during the travel or parang, no, it's a one-time, it's parang once-in-a-lifetime experiences na I shouldn't regret because nag-enjoy naman tayo. We just regret a little bit kasi parang pinaplano namin palitan yung, yung pinto namin sa bahay, yung entrance namin, yung entrance door.
Main entrances.
Entrance door. Yung main entrance ng apartment namin. We plan to change yung mga, basta marami sa bahay na re-renovate sa apartment. So parang di napos-po namin yun because pinrioritize namin yung traveling and yung mga gala namin. So that's a little bit of parang if we could have we could have done a better job at allocating budgets. Pero nga, minsan hindi mo alam kung mag-yoyolo ka na lang or
Mag-adulting.
Mag-adulting ka. Ang next na tanong ay, what did we start saying no to this year to protect our peace?
Start with saying no ako sa mga overtime. Kasi before, overtime, sayang. But then, parang magpo-40 na din tayo. So, gusto kong maglaan ng oras para, magkasama tayo with Charlie. Instead of kakadating mo lang sa bahay, tumawag ng overtime, pupunta na naman.
Parang overtime ka nga na overtime.
No.
Di ba?
Hindi na ako nag-overtime. Agency na lang, but then that's once a month.
Tingin ko yun din nasagot ko eh. Ayun, saka siguro parang sa work, parang I say no to parang hindi na ako nagfo-focus sa mga negative na mga, kunyari, mga tao sa work. Kasi before nung nasa ICU ako, yung nagdudwell ako sa mga ganon na parang, bakit kanya ako ginanon, ganyan. Tinarayan niya ako or whatever. Pero etong last year, parang doesn't matter. Our biggest shared accomplishment.
Apartment.
Yun din sagot ko. We purchased a
Because
2-bedroom apartment.
It's an apartment, now it's our home.
Before nagre-rent lang tayo, parang we didn't really put a lot of thought dun sa kung paano yung itsura ng apartment or ganyan.
It's a very, I'm proud of what we did. It's a very nice apartment.
So parang parang continuous projects dun sa apartment, like painting the apartment.
It looks very different from when you first rented the apartment.
If you can describe 2025 in one word, what would it be?
One word. Fulfilled. Hindi kasi, ang dami natin nagawa. House, nagkaroon tayo ng home, we turned it into our own home, we traveled, we got to spend time together. We were able to save enough for emergency fund.
Ako naman adventurous. Adventures kasi ang dami naming accomplish ng 2025. Especially sa YouTube. Ang dami ko ring na nagawa sa YouTube and I'm so happy din how it turned out na parang nakapag-commit ako from the 12 months na magawa ng content and then nag-experiment kung ano mga content and we traveled to different places na na-meet kami ng mga other content creators kagaya ni Nurse Odyssey sa Germany, si Nurse Anne sa Switzerland.
I think the perfect word para sa is accomplished.
Accomplished. Accomplish ba? Hindi naman. Parang hindi naman. Parang mas marami pa kasi akong gusto ma-accomplish in the future. So, hindi pa siya complete na
Complete
accomplish.
accomplish.
Proudest moment. Parang what's
Oh,
the biggest win?
I become an Irish citizen.
You became
Irish
an
citizen.
Irish citizen in 2025. Yun yung ano mo, biggest win mo.
I think so, yeah.
Kasi tagal na.
It opened a lot of
Doors and opportunities for you. Oo, ngayon pwede ka nang anytime mag-travel.
Hindi ko na
Mag-apply ng
Hindi ko
visa.
na kailangan mag-apply ng appointment na ang pagkatagal-tagal.
Oo.
Everyday nagtitingin ka ng online appointments, wala. Magbabayad 200, almost 200 euro.
Tapos yung mga pila din sa sa
Pila.
airport, no?
Oh, yes.
Sa ano ka na, European passport. Hindi ka napipila din sa visa check.
Definitely, the biggest accomplishment.
Ako naman, nasabi ko na yung biggest accomplishment, biggest win ko of 2025, siguro ngayon sa YouTube channel. Kasi before 2024, hindi pa ako parang kakamonetize ko lang later part of the 2024. And parang sumisweldo ako nun parang every 2 months. Sweldo ko ng 70. Tapos every other month ako sumisweldo. And then, eto na, 2025, parang every month na siya. And syempre, some months are may mga higher income, some parang low income, depende sa mga content na na-produce. Pero naging consistent yung side hustle, and syempre I'm so happy na parang nag-start ako mag-YouTube na parang wala lang kasi gusto ko lang I really like to edit, I like cameras, ganyan. But now it's turned into a side hustle na pwede mo nang maasahan, kumbaga kunyari pang reinvest sa gadgets, mga ganyan. So really happy for that accomplishment. Vision for 2026. What is the big dream we are chasing together in 2026? Ayun. Ang vision ko is I want to spend time with my family sa Philippines. Isa sa mga vision ko yun for 2026. Another vision is gusto namin magkaroon ng a house na may pwedeng backyard na pwede maglaro yung aso namin. And another vision is another dog. Another dog kapag nagkaroon kami ng backyard. Ikaw, nasabi ko na ba yung iba?
Ang first ko din sana yung I want to share a precious memory with family back home.
Family, no. And so, vacation sa Philippines, yung isa sa mga vision namin in 2026. Kasi syempre yung family, parents namin, getting older, gusto mo na mag-spend time sa kanila, and, wala namang perfect timing para umuwi. I think it's a matter of prioritization. So, parang this time, kasi umuwi naman tayo 2024, diba? Ako June, ikaw December. So, 2025, di kami nakauwi. And 2026, hopefully, makauwi kami talaga. So, kayo ba guys, ano ba yung mga biggest wins nyo in 2025? Super thankful kayo na nangyari sa 2025 nyo. So, kung meron, just comment down in the comment section below. So, yun guys, thank you for watching, and I hope na this small talk ay may mabring din na inspiration sa inyo, and hopefully ay makita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod na videos. And that's it for today's vlog. Please like, don't forget
to subscribe, like, and share. Thumbs up.
And we'll see you on the next one. Bye guys, happy 2026.
Bye, Charlie.
Bye Charlie. Bye. Lamig na.
Tumutulog.
Like the summer sun on quiet tracks. Oh, it feels like that. Like the summer rain that falls so slowly on the naked skin upon your back. Oh, it feels like that. Like a love song on a worn out track. Yeah, it feels like that. Feels like that. Yeah, it feels like that. Na na na.